Welcome to my channel everyone, I'm Key. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this unique granny square. The material I'm using in this tutorial is 8-ply yarn. Pick any 4 colors you like, 4mm hook and scissors to cut off the yarn. Let's start with a magic circle. Pull the yarn through, chain 1. And we need to make a double crochet first. This is the way how I make the first double crochet. You can also choose to use chain 3 instead. For the first round, we need 16 double crochets. So please finish 16 double crochets and we'll continue from there. Double check to make sure you have 16 double crochets. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around. And chain 1. Cut off the yarn as we're going to change other color for the next round. Insert the hook to any stitch to make 1 back post single crochet. Yarn over hook, make a 1 back post half double crochet to the last stitch. Yarn over hook once, make 1 back post double crochet to the next stitch. Yarn over hook twice, make a 1 back post treble crochet to the next stitch. So this round it's all back post. We just made a single crochet, half double crochet, and treble crochet. Chain 4. Following, we are going to repeat the pattern. Show you one more time. So 1 back post single crochet, 1 back post half double crochet for the next stitch, 1 back post double crochet to the next stitch, 1 back post treble crochet to the next stitch, and chain 4 after that. Please repeat this pattern another 2 times and finish the round. After last chain 4, snip stitch to the first stitch to join around, and chain 1. Cut off the yarn as we are going to use other color for the next round. Round 3, we are going to crochet start from this chain 4 space. Insert the hook to the chain 4 space, pull the yarn through, chain 1, make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, another 1 half double crochet. So we just made 2 single crochet and 2 half double crochet in the chain 4 space. For the following 4 stitches, we are going to crochet 2 back post double crochet, 2 back post treble crochet. So for the first stitch, we are going to crochet 1 back post double crochet. If you are not a beginner, you can fast forward here as it might be a little bit too slow for you. Next stitch, we are also crochet 1 back post double crochet. One back post treble crochet, another back post treble crochet, so the pattern for this round is make 2 single crochet, 2 half double crochet in the chain 4 space, and then 2 back post double crochet and 2 back post treble crochet. After that, make chain 4. That's 1 set. Let's repeat this pattern one more time. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, one back post double crochet to the first stitch, you can hide the ends while you're crocheting like I do, or you can just leave it and weaving in the ends. Another one back post double crochet, one back post treble crochet, another one back post treble crochet, chain 4. Please follow this pattern and finish in a round. After you finish all 4 sides, slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. Round 4. We start from this chain 4 space. Insert the hook to the chain 4 space, pull the yarn through, chain 1. Make 3 single crochets first. Yarn over hook, make another 1 half double crochet in the same chain 4 space. So we just made 3 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in the chain 4 space. Yarn over hook to the first stitch, we make 1 back post half double crochet. Make another 1 back post half double crochet to next stitch. Following, make 3 back post double crochet to following 3 stitches. So 1 back post double crochet, 2 back post double crochet. This is the next stitch, the second back post double crochet. Next stitch also back post double crochet. So we just made 3 back post double crochet after 2 back post half double crochet. For the following 3 stitches, we make 3 back post treble crochet in 3 stitches. Second back post treble crochet, third back post treble crochet. Chain 4. This is one set. We just made 3 single crochet and 1 half double crochet in chain 4 space, and then 2 back post half double crochet, and then 3 back post double crochet and 3 back post treble crochet. Chain 4 after that. Let's repeat the pattern one more time. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 3 single crochets, and 1 half double crochet in the chain 4 space. In these 8 stitches, make 1 back post half double crochet, 1 back post half double crochet, 1 back post double crochet, another 1 back post double crochet, one more back post double crochet, 1 back post treble crochet, Another one back post treble crochet, back post treble crochet, and chain 4. Please use this pattern to repeat another 2 times. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join around, and chain 1, cut off the yarn. Round 5, we still start from the chain 4 space. Make 4 single crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2 single crochets, 3, hide the yarn, 4, 1 back post half double crochet, another 1 back post half double crochet, one more back post half double crochet, make another back post half double crochet to the next stitch. So we just made 4 back post half double crochet for 4 stitches. Following, we are going to make 4 back post double crochet for the following 4 stitches. 1 back post double crochet, 2 back post double crochet, 3 back post double crochet, 4 back post double crochet, and then we are going to make 4 back post treble crochet for the following 4 stitches. 1 back post treble crochet, 2 back post treble crochet, 3, 4, chain 4. The pattern for this round is make 4 single crochets in the chain 4 space and 4 back post half double crochet, 4 back post double crochet, and 4 back post treble crochet in chain 4. Let's repeat the pattern one more time. Make 4 single crochet in the chain 4 space, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 back post half double crochet, 2 back post half double crochet, 3 back post half double crochet, 4 back post half double crochet, and make 1 back post double crochet, 2 back post double crochet, 3 back post double crochet, 4 back post double crochet, 1 back post treble crochet, 2 back post treble crochet, 3 back post treble crochet, 4 back post treble crochet. Chain 4. Please follow this pattern and repeat another 2 times to finish the round. After chain 4, slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. And chain 1, cut off the yarn. Round 6, we crochet from the stitch on the right side of the chain 4 space. Insert the hook to the stitch, pull the yarn through, chain 1, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, chain 2. In the chain 4 space, we make 4 single crochets, 2, 3, 4. For the following 15 stitches, crochet 15 back post single crochet, please finish 15 back post single crochet, and then we continue from there. After 15 back post single crochet, we have 1 stitch left, and that's the stitch that we start from. For this round, we make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We are repeating the pattern now. So chain 2. After that, make 4 single crochets in the chain 4 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and following we are going to make 15 back post single crochet and then go back to the last stitch. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn and weaving ends. So this is how you make this granny square. If you learned how to make this granny square, please don't forget to like, comment and share on this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and ideas. Thank you for watching. See you next time.